Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use YOLO in Snapchat. So for that you need to install YOLO app in your Snapchat. So I have already installed. You can find this from App Store. Just go to App Store and search for YOLO anonymous questions, and that's all. So let's open it and click here, get anonymous message, and okay, so you'll get this in screen. Take a picture. Okay, once you are done you can drag this wherever you want. Okay, better. Click send to your story, my story. Okay, and deliver. So I send to myself also. So once you are done with your post, you can go to your profile anytime, and here you can see your last posted YOLOs. So this will look like this. If you swipe up, this screen will appear, and your friends can ask you anonymous question here, and they can send you an anonymous message here. And to see what they send, you have to go to YOLO. And here you can see what they send you. You can reply them from here. So that's all guys. Likewise you can use YOLO in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.